Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 4 of the same topic and we'll continue with the exercise 7.2. We already done 4 questions. You can have a look at the previous video. So here they said find the third proportional to these two numbers are given. So whenever we have such type of problems here, so this is just A and B. You must have seen with the fourth proportion. You can just have a look at that one. Here we have only 2 means we can consider A and B. So whenever we have the third proportional means we are going to repeat, that will be A is to B is equal to, this will be B is to, this will consider this as C. So the B is going to repeat. So for the third proportion. So now here, can you see this is B, this is going to repeat, and we'll consider that X as the third proportional. So X will be at the last. So now what are we going to do? You know the product of extremes is equal to product of means. That all two we have seen in the, you can have a watch in the previous video. So these are the extremes and these are the means. So product means this 6x is going to be 12 into 12. So X is going to be 12 into 12 divided by this will be 6. So 6 ones are, 6 twos are, so that is going to be 24. So 24 is the third proportional to 6 and 12. This is the answer. Now we have 12 and 18. So again here we will consider X be the third proportional. So 18 we are going to repeat it and this X will be here. So now product of extremes is equal to product of means. So 12x will be 18 into 18. So X is going to be 18 into 18 and this will get divided, that will be 12. So this goes with 6, 6 twos are and 6 threes are. Again 2 ones are, 2 nines are. So this is going to be 27. So 27 is the third proportional to 12 and 18. Now here again, so what we can see, 1 by 6 will repeat here. So this is the third proportional. Product of extremes 1 by 4 into X. Product of means 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So X is going to be 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 and this is going to go on the other side, means it will get flip over. So that is going to be 4 by 1. So we don't write 1. So we can just write 4. So now 2 twos are. So we can do one thing here. 2 twos are and 2 threes are. Then here 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So this is going to be 9. So X is 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 is the third proportional to 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. Now here, so what is going to repeat here? That 25 is going to repeat and this X will be here. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. So 5x is 25 into 25. So X will be 25 into 25 divided by 5. So this is going to be 125. So X is 125. So 125 is the third proportional to 5 and 25. Now here we have to prove that the following numbers are a continued proportion. So whenever we have a continued proportional, now this is the 3 numbers are given. So we are going to divide these 2 numbers and we will see, we'll simplify it. So what do we get here? 3 twos are and 3 threes are, that will be 3 and 3 by 2. Now we will take this second and third and we are going to divide it. So again we will simplify this one. So 2 twos are, 2 threes are, this also is 3 by 2. So both places we get 3 by 2. So we can say therefore 9, 6, 4 are in continued proportion. Now here we'll take these 2 numbers, divide it, 27 by 9, that is 3. And we'll take these 2 numbers, we'll divide it, that will be 9 by 3 is 3. So these both are same. So we can say 27, 9 and 3 are in continued proportion. Same here, this divided by this will be 5 twos are, 5 fives are, so that is going to be 5 by 2. We'll take this and this, we'll divide it, 2 twos are and 2 fives are, that will be 5 by 2. So we can say 25, 10 and 4 are in continued proportion. Now we'll take this 8 by 20. So this will be 4 twos are and this will be 4 fives are, so that will be 2 by 5. We'll take this and this. So 20 by 50, so 0 and 0 we can cut it, that is going to be 2 by 5. Both are same. So we can say 8, 20 and 50 are in continued proportion. Now here the monthly pocket money of Ravi and Sanjeev are in the ratio that is 5:7 and the expenditure ratio is 9:13. So if each saves rupees 40, we have to find the monthly pocket money. So we can consider first that Ravi's pocket money is, the ratio is given as 5:7, means we can consider this for Ravi, this for Sanjeev, that is 5x, and Sanjeev's pocket money is, that is 7x. So now again, what is the ratio given? Expenditure ratio is given, that is 9:13. So Ravi's expenditure is, we can consider, because here we have considered x, now let us consider this y. So Ravi's expenditure be 9y and Sanjeev's expenditure be 13y. So now what we can see here, these are the two equations. This is the pocket money and this is the expenditure. We'll see first for both of Ravi. So now we can take this one, we can make an equation 5x minus 9y, and that is given if each saves, that is 40. So that is 40. So this is equation number 1. Then what will you do? You will take this one 9x and this will be 13y, both pocket money and the expenditure. So 9x minus 13y, that is 14. So this is equation number 2. So we will solve this both equation. So now what will you do? Same thing, I have written these two equations over here. So now you can see how to solve this one, because now you need the value of x and y. So here we can do the, we'll take here, we'll take this x. Now you can see how this is 5, the coefficient is 5 and this is 7. So we have to make this both of them equal. So then see here, you have done the elimination method and the substitution method. So this is, we are 7 will multiply with this one and this will multiply by 5. So this, when we are multiplying this by 7, so here also should be 7, here also should be 7, and here will be 5. So 5 here 5, and here also 5. So what will be here? 35x minus 63y is going to be, when you multiply this by 7, that is going to be 280. Now here 35 we are multiplying by 5, so 35x minus 65y is going to be 200. So now you can see both places you get 35x. So now what you can do, this was plus actually, so we have to change the sign, it will be minus, new sign will be minus, minus becomes plus, here is plus, so this becomes minus. So now we are going to concentrate on the new sign. So this is minus 35x and this is plus 35x, so that is going to be 0. Just consider here plus 65 minus 63, that is going to be plus 2y, and this is going to be plus 280 minus 200, that is going to be 80. So y is going to be 80 and this is going to get divided by 2. So this is going to be 40. So y is 40. So now what will you do? Putting y is equal to 40, you will put it in equation number 1. Any of the equation you can put, we'll put in equation number 1. So that is 5x minus 9y is equal to 40. So this is 5x, this is 9, and here you are going to put this value and this one, y as 40, so that is 40 given. So this will be 360, rest all is the same. So 5x is going to be, 40 is already here, so minus 360 is going to be plus 360. So when you add this one, so 5x is 400, so x is going to be 400 divided by 5, so x is 80. So now what we can say here, what they have asked for, find a monthly pocket money. So x, who is x here? We have considered that is here, we are going to put in the Ravi's pocket money. So that is 5x. So here what will you do? 5 into 80. So that is going to be rupees 400. And Sanjeev's pocket money, that is given as 7x because the ratio is 5:7. So here will be, we are going to put here, in place of this x, we are going to put 80. So that is going to be 560. So this is the answer. Now here the ages of Arpita and Beena are in the ratio 4:7. 8 years ago, means back, the ages were in the ratio 1:2. So you have to find the present ages. So now let us see, let present age of Arpita be, ratio is given because the ages are given, that is 4:7. So present ages be 4x here. This is for Arpita and this is for Beena, 4x, and the present age of Beena be 7x. So 8 years ago, Arpita's age was what? 4x was present age. So we have to put -8. And Bina's age was 7x minus 8. That is going to be 7x minus 8. So now the ratio is given. 8 years ago, this is given as 1:2. So the ratio is 1:2. So what will you write here? 4x minus 8 is to 7x minus 8 is 1:2. So now what do you do? When you divide this one, 4x minus 8 divided by 7x minus 8, this also is going to get divided. That will be 1/2. So now we will cross multiply here. So what will be here? 2 into 4x minus 8. And this bracket is important because there are two terms. And here we don't have to write anything because this is 1 into this one. That is going to be the same. So now let us expand it. So that will be 8x minus 16 is 7x minus 8. 8x here, this will go here, that will be minus 7x. This will be minus 8x as it is, and this minus 16 will be plus 16. So x is going to be plus 16 minus 8. That will be 8 years. So we can say Arpita's present age, that is, we have considered this as 4x. That is 4 into 8, that is 32 years. And Bina's present age, that is 7x. So 7 into 8, that is going to be 56 years. This is what they have asked. A building of height 8 meter casts its shadow of length 6 meter at a point of time during the day. If exactly at the same time of the day, the length of the shadow of a tower is 18 meter, what is the height of the tower? So for this one, let us draw the diagram first. So that makes clear. So now let us consider the height they have asked for the tower be x meter. So now see here, this is the diagram what we are going to draw here. So now this is a tower. What they have said, the building and the length of a shadow of a tower. Two things are given here. So this is the tower and this is the building, we can say. So this one, this is x meter. We don't know the height of it. But then they have given, what is that? The height of a building is 8 meters. So this is 8 meter. And then this is the shadow. So the shadow of the height is given, this one. The shadow of the building is height as 8 meter and it casts a shadow of length, that is the 6 meter. So this is the, because this is a building, so this is 6 meter. And what is given again here, the length of a shadow of a tower is 18 meter, means the whole part here, because this is a tower. So the length of a shadow is 18 meters. So this, if you draw this diagram, other things are very easy. So now we can see this is the triangle ABC. In this one, what we can see, these are the parallel sides. AB and DE, these are the parallel sides. We can say AB, we can write these two lines mean that is parallel to DE. So now what will you do? AB by DE, you can form an equation that is equal to BC by EC. Hope this is clear. This is important one. AB by DE is equal to BC by EC. So now what is AB? AB is that X. What is DE? DE is now 8. What is BC? BC is this whole thing, that is 18. And what is EC? This is 6. So now we can also simplify this, or we can just cross multiply it. In both the ways it's going to be the same. Even if we cross multiply, we'll get the same answer. But I have here simplified because this was easier. 6 ones and 6 threes are. And later on what you can do, this we can cross multiply. We got 1 over here. So x will be, this will go there. So that is going to be 24 meter. So what we have considered x, that is the height of a tower. What that is what they have asked. So it is 24 meter. During the same time of a day, a pole casts a shadow of length 12 meter, whereas a tree of 3 meter height casts a shadow of length 4.5 meter. Find the height of the pole. It's similar. So now see here what they have asked, find the height of the pole. So this is the pole. And what is this one? And this is given as a cast a shadow of length, whereas a tree of height, that is 3 meter. So this is a tree and this is the pole. So now this is, they have given this, the height of a tree as a 3 meter. So this is 3 meter. So now here we'll see the shadow. What is the shadow? This one, shadow of a that is 3. This means this part, this is 4.5, and here they are given pole shadow, this is the length is 12 meters. So this whole part is 12 meters. So hope this diagram is clear to you. And then it is the same at what we have done before. So now let us write that the height of the pole be x meter. So this is what is written. And then again, this is triangle ABC. What is that? AB is parallel to DE. This is what is written over here. So now what will you do? AB by DE is equal to BC by EC. This is the main step. So now what is AB? AB is x. So in place of AB, you will write a x. What is DE? DE is 3. So you will write here 3. What is BC? BC is 12. So you will write here 12. And what is EC? EC is 4.5. That you will write it here. Now we are going to cross multiply. So this is going to be 4.5x will be 3 into 12. So x is going to be 3 into 12 divided by 4.5. So 3 ones are 3, 1.5. So now what will you write here? 12 divided by 1.5. So because since we are not using the calci over here, if you are using, you can do it directly. But I'll just show this one without using a calci. So now 12 is in the numerator. We'll keep as it is. 1.5, we can write it 15 divided by 10. Because here 1.5, that is 15. There is a one number after the decimal. So you can write here 15 by 10. So we can write for this one, for 1.5, we can write for 15 by 10. Now the numerator will be as it is. The denominator gets flipped over because this is in fraction. So this is going to be 10 by 15. So now what will you do here? You can write here 3 4s are, and this also goes with 3 5s are. So here 12 by 15, that is going to get divided by 3. Both place this one. So it is going to be 4 by 5. So then what will you do? 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So this is going to be 8. You can simplify anyway, whatever you like, or you can directly, you can just multiply this one, that will be 120 and then divide it by 15. So that also works. So x is 8 meter. So we can say height of the pole is x meter. That is what they asked. Now the scale of a map is 2 centimeters, 100 kilometer. So what is the actual distance between any two places in kilometer if they are 10 centimeter apart in the map? So now what is given? Given is 2 centimeter is 100 kilometer. So that is given here. 2 centimeter is 100 kilometer. So now we want what is the actual distance. If it is 10 centimeter apart in the map. So below the centimeter, we can write the centimeter, that is 10 centimeter is given. So we'll write this below this, and we don't know. The distance means this is here. So this we can consider as x. So now what will you do here? 2 centimeters, 100 kilometer, that is given, and we want 10 centimeter and we don't know the distance. So that let us consider this as x. So now we are going to cross multiply this one. So what will be that? 2x is 10 into 100. So what will be x? 10 into 100 divided by 2. So 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So this will be 500. So x is 500 kilometer. And what we have considered, the x that is considered, that is the actual distance between two places. We have considered this one. So we say actual distance between two places is 500 kilometers. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.